tí ìwé ẹyẹ bí ọ̀bí ò sí gbogbo nínú ọlọ́lá jù àjẹjẹrán ọ̀sẹ̀ pé méjìlá àwùjọ ẹranko bọ́dọ̀ bá dọ̀rọ̀ tó kọ́ni lọ́gbọ́n àti òye tó ń tàrò jinlẹ̀ tó fọ́fọ́fọ́ yọrí àwẹ̀ láyé kí lárí lọ́lọ́gá lórí ètò Kílárígbọ́ lẹ́yìn tí máa gbọ́ ọ̀tún ìròyìn tó fọ́fọ́ jọ̀ka àwọn ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ káàkiri àgbáláyé láìwé media ethics and practice full of truthfulness credibility objectivity and balance nípa kẹ́kẹ́ náà rọ̀rọ̀ kó dáṣá láì gbàgbà kankan lórí ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ káàkiri àgbáláyé ó sì nípa sí ètò ẹ̀kọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ìlera ètò ìrànlọ́wọ́ táwọn olóyìnbó pè ní humanitarian ètò ìjọba àwarawa ijó àti eré ayò níbi tẹ́tí máa pàdé bàbá wa ọmọ bí orí owó fúnra lára rẹ̀ fún ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ àlàyé síwájú sí i tàbí fún ọ̀kan ìjọ̀kan ìbéèrè tẹ́ bá ní bóyá ẹ sì fẹ́ bá wa dòwò pọ̀ léyìíkéyìí ìlú tẹ́ bá wà ẹ lè pè tàbí kẹ́ WhatsApp wa lórí +971 503 430 843 ẹ má gbàgbé o wípé lórí Ayekooto TV lẹ́yìn tí máa wò ó láìsí tàbí ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n ní wọ́n pé tàbí kankan lórí ètò Kílárígbọ́ the truth must be told.
akínyìn ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí Ayekooto tẹlifíṣàn náà níbi tí ẹ wà yìí orúkọ tí mi ò yí padà ọmọbùrẹ́ owó Adéníyì òun náà ni èmi jẹ́ wọ́n tẹ́gbẹ́ àkọ́rẹ́ tí ó ń wo àwọn ètò wa eléyìí tí a mú fún wa báyìí máa rọ̀ yín pé kí ẹ bá wa subscribe sórí YouTube channel wa bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni ẹ má gbé láti bá wa tẹ location bẹ́ẹ̀ kí ẹ lè jẹ́ ẹnì àkọ́kọ́ tí ó máa ń jàǹfààní àwọn ètò wa bí a bá ṣe mú wa fún yín ní ọlọ́kan àjọkan lórí ètò wa fún tòní Kílárígbọ́ kí ni tí èmi àti ẹ tí a tún mú wá fún tòní Yorùbá bọ̀ wọ́n ní ìsíwò ìwòrìwò ohun tá a bá dìjọ wò báyìí wọ́n ní gígùn òun náà ni ó máa ń gún arákùnrin kan tí wọ́n wá jọ mọ̀ di ẹni mowó lè tí a mọ̀ sí very dark man òun ni ó tún ṣe bẹ̀bẹ̀ lọ́tẹ̀ yìí ẹ̀rí Yorùbá wọ́n ní kí jẹ́sùjẹ́sù rántí ẹni tí ò máa jẹ wọ́n sì ní kí yànnàyànnà kó rántí ẹni tí ó nà tí ò ní fi nà mí mọ́ àwọn nǹkan tí very dark man ń ṣe yìí ṣe ó tọ̀nà àbí kò tọ̀nà ṣe ohun tó dáa òun náà ni arákùnrin yìí ló ń ṣe arákùnrin yìí ti fẹ́ gògè rékọjá ìwé bẹ́ẹ̀ ó sì fẹ́ sáré kọjá kádàrá kí ni tí mo mì ní wípé when you are trying to bring people down you must know the root cause of that issue that you wanted to bring out. You don't just jump into something that you don't understand without verified deep investigation. Arákùnrin yìí olùsọ̀rọ̀ nípa Bobrisky tí àṣírí ọ̀rọ̀ tí Bobrisky ń sọ fún ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ kan tó sì tú lé lọ́wọ́. Àmọ́ ibi tí mo ń lọ kọ́ lé yìí bí kì í ṣe ti agbẹjọ́rò pàtàkì tó ń jà fún ẹ̀tọ́ ọmọnìyàn ìyẹn Femi Fanana tí ọmọkùnrin yìí tí ó mú mọ́ látàrí pé Femi Fanana béèrè 10 million lọ́wọ́ Bobrisky ẹ padà gbọ́ àmọ́ kò dédé béèrè torí pé Yorùbá wọ́n ní tí ò bá nídìí ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ò kì í dédé ṣẹ́ Bobrisky ló béèrè fún ìrànlọ́wọ́ kí sì ní ìrànlọ́wọ́ tó béèrè fún ni wípé tí wọ́n bá lè pádọ́ òun ẹ mà ká sọ pé èèyàn ti lo ẹ̀wọ̀n wọ́n á níjọba pádọ́nù ẹ̀ yẹn ni pé wọ́n forí ẹ̀wọ̀n ẹ̀ jí wọ́n gbà pé kò lo ẹ̀wọ̀n mọ́ kíní yóò kì í sọ̀fẹ́ ẹ̀ agbẹjọ́rò tí ó bọ ṣe lọ́ọ̀yà tí ó bọ mójútó wọ́n gbowó àwọn tí lọ́ọ̀yà yìí náà ó bribe wọ́n gbowó gbogbo wa la mọ̀ pé Nàìjíríà ti wà corrupt lélẹ̀ tí ò sì sí ẹnikẹ́ni tó lè yẹ̀ wọ́n lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ wò ṣùgbọ́n eléyìí tó burú jù ń bẹ̀ òun ni wípé Bobrisky ò lo ẹ̀wọ̀n o Kílárígbọ́ fún tòní Bobrisky ò lo ẹ̀wọ̀n rárá kódà Bobrisky ò sí ẹ̀wọ̀n kódà kò dé gate prison báyìí ó yà yín lẹ́nu the truth must be told ojú tó lé ojú tó kò ó yẹ kó yà yín lẹ́nu pé Bobrisky ò lo ẹ̀wọ̀n owó Yorùbá ó ní tówó bá ṣe tì ilẹ̀ ni ó gbé ṣe wá ra àwọn DSS tẹ́ ẹ rí tí wọ́n rangun apá tí wọ́n ṣe báyìí àwa DSS òfútù fẹ́ tẹ̀ ni wọ́n ṣe ní bá ṣe tó yìí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ṣe jẹ́ pé àwọn gangan fún ara wọn corruption tó ń bẹ ní DSS office, corrupt tí àwọn individual àwọn ti wà corrupted ó ju ti orílẹ̀-èdè lọ. Àṣé DSS wọ́n gba 15 million naira. Tún sọ wọ́n nẹnu mi ló ti gbọ́ o, 15 million naira ni wọ́n gbà lọ́wọ́ Bobrisky kí wọ́n tó drop charge of money laundering. Wo èmi kọ́ ni mo sọ, very dark man ló tú àṣírí àwọn wọ̀nyí. Ó tú àṣírí wọn, ó sì yọ kò mọ́ òkun òdi wọn lé wọn lọ́wọ́, àmọ́ ó pè wọ́n kí tún wá sí yẹn nìkan o, control general. Ẹ sì bà Nàìjíríà jẹ́. Control General of Correctional Service wọ́n fún ní order, ó sì follow order tí wọ́n fún. Níṣe ni wọ́n gba apartment fún Bobrisky níta tó wá ń gbé bẹ̀. Wo ọ̀rẹ́ mi tó ń gbọ́ mi àti wọ́n tó ń gbọ́ mi lónìí, Olódùmarè ò ní fi owó wọ́n èmi àti ẹ. Olódùmarè kò ní fi ọ̀dá owó kò ní fi jẹ wá níyà. Olódùmarè yóò jẹ́ ká mọ̀yàn ká tún mọ ẹni bí ẹni, ká mèyàn bí èèyàn. Wo ọmọ tí ó mọ̀yàn tí ò mọ ẹni kankan oníyà ń jẹ gbé. Ẹni tí ò lára, ẹni tí ò lẹ́bí ni wọ́n ń tìmátì mọ́lé. Ẹni tí ó mọ̀yàn, ẹni tí ò léèyàn ó ní wọ́n ń fìyà jẹ. Àmọ́ Yorùbá wọ́n ní a kì í lẹ́ni ní mọ̀sán ká tún mú kíkan. Whisky nẹ́ni ní mọ̀sán, Bobrisky nẹ́ni ní mọ̀sán kò ṣe mú kíkan. Bobrisky ó ní ẹni ní mọ̀sán ni ò ṣe mú kíkan. Ẹ wò ó, Bobrisky ò ṣẹ̀wọ̀n o. Kódà inú ìgbádùn àti ayọ̀ àtóúnjẹ tó wù ú ló fi ṣe wọn bẹ́ẹ̀ wọn tó ṣe. Àmọ́ ibi tí very dark man tí màá ti wá takò òun ni ti Fanana, torí pé agbẹjọ́rò ni, dandan ni kó gbowó iṣẹ́, dandan ni kí àwọn kan kí wọ́n béèrè pé bàbá tẹ́ bá jẹ́ kí ni kò ṣe owó ni kẹ́ ẹ mú wá. Ẹ̀tọ́ Fanana ni pé kó ṣiṣẹ́, ó sì ṣiṣẹ́, ó gbé dé Àbújá, àmọ́ wọ́n dá padà nítorí pé wọ́n fẹ́ gba bribe. Ó dẹ̀ lọ padà bá Bobrisky pé Bobrisky àwọn tí wọ́n gba kínní yìí oyè báyìí òun náà ni wọ́n gbà. Ìwọ má jẹ́ ń làágùn jìnnà, má jẹ́ ń tótó àtònù, jẹ́ kí èmi àti ẹ jẹ́ ń gbé ọ débẹ̀ kó wá gbọ́ bí àṣírí ẹ̀wọ̀n tí Bobrisky lọ bó ṣe tú sọ́wọ́ very dark man. Ó yá jẹ́ ń gbé ọ débẹ̀.
Yes, all right. In respect to Bobrisky, what I'm about to post now, a lot of names will be mentioned. These are people that I also respect, and I believe a lot of Nigerians respect them as well. I am very, very disappointed in the agencies that are involved in this, and I believe that this call recording that I'm about to play, even Bobrisky will not expect it. That is what is crazy. But all the people that will be mentioned, I don't care. You understand? I don't care. And from today, no longer respect for all of you. You understand? Because all of them are the same. And it's pretty obvious that in Nigeria, the law only works against the poor people. Do you understand? Now, after this video, I would expect that the EFCC will do a deep investigation on everybody that is involved in this case. And also, they will bring the whole officers that participated in this and collected and spent this money that is involved. Thank you very much. So I'll start by playing the call. As you can see, it is a call. Listen.
You know, I'm a very big influencer. I have over 5 million followers on my Instagram, so my Facebook, and they're paying me on my Facebook every month. So I'm okay. So they were like, all those money cannot still make me buy a house of 450 million naira in Pinok, and we are staying in Chevron. Blah 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 blah. The shop put the money laundry shop. They charged me to court. So when they charged me to court, we had to beg them that okay, if they want to remove the money laundering, how much would they collect? And so we should go and bring 15 million that they will remove the money laundering.
Now, this is one part of the video. A lot of things will be unveiled. First things first, you heard it from Bobrisky. EFCC charged him 15 million naira to remove the money laundry charge that was charged against him. If you remember, when this case against Bobrisky starts, there was a money laundry charge, but from nowhere they dropped the money laundry charge. So obviously, Bobrisky paid EFCC 15 million naira to remove the money laundry charge. It's crazy that EFCC claim that they are fighting against financial crime. Do you understand? They are deeply involved in financial crime. So they remove the money laundry. Let's continue. There's a lot of things in this call recording.
I called my friend, because I can't use my account. I wanted to send money from my account, but they said I'm still under investigation. I cannot get my account. So I now called a few of my friends. You know Polanco, Eleyi? That Polanco, yeah, is my very good friend. So I called him. I told him, I was like, no, I can't want to send the wholesale, I can't want to send the wholesale. He now I gave him my brother's account. He now sent 8 million naira.
8 million
naira. He can't always refund the same year. Yeah. I was even shocked that he can send that kind of amount of money. He said, a very nice person. So I called Demola in New York. He is my friend too. Demola sent 1 million naira. Because I had to call the people I'm close to, people I trust. Demola sent me 1 million. Yeah, Demola sent me 1 million. Immediately transferred 1 million to my account. Then I called other few people because I can't start making call because I don't know who set me up. So let me not start calling the wrong people. Do you understand? Sure. Yeah. So I called the people I trust. So the money share completed. I paid. They now remove money laundering. They now took me to court for spraying of money. Okay. And I know that.
So you heard him. After he paid the money to EFCC, EFCC removed money laundry, and they now removed that charge and took him for spraying money. Do you understand? So EFCC, you people collect money to drop charges. This is crazy. And these are the people that want to fight for financial crime. Tomorrow night, you're going to tell us you want to arrest Ayabelu. Are we sure that if you arrest him, you will not collect money for dropping charges? Wow, EFCC. This is crazy. But anyways, it doesn't end here. Let's continue.
The old things started from when they gave me best female dress. You saw that video, right? That they gave me best female dress. Yes, that's when the old things yeah, that's when the old things started from, jealousy, everything. So we shall got to court. I shall told them that I'm guilty, that maybe because we even pity me or say, oh yeah, pay fine.
I know.
Or community service. Sadly, the court sentenced me. So, I was on my way to the prison. Then my godfather called me and said, you will not enter that prison, don't worry. Let me make arrangements for an apartment close to the prison. It's going to call the controller that's overall in Nigeria, in Abuja, and I'm talk to them. They shall talk before I come back. They now took me to one apartment that I must not come out till I finish my sentence. The Oga said they should come out. The Oga said they should come and keep me here. That I mustn't go enter data, but nobody should know that I'm not there.
Yes.
So they said the guy will collect money. They wanted to give them 7.
Wait. Who is this Bobrisky's godfather that called the Controller General of Prison in Abuja and instructed him that he should not let Bobrisky to enter prison, and the Controller General of Prison now gave Bobrisky an apartment outside the prison? Do you understand? An apartment outside the prison that he should stay there and he will not enter the prison. So Bobrisky didn't go to prison, obviously. Basically, the prison obviously is for the poor men and for the poor masses. So this is how the EFCC come and lie to us. Say they don't prove somebody, they don't arrest one big man for financial crime. But they will not go arrest the man, they don't go sentence him or carry him. Go give him one lodge somewhere and he don't go enter prison. This is what is going on in Nigeria. You understand? The law is only against the common and the poor men. Now only poor man they go prison. But Bobrisky, one godfather somewhere, that godfather he will come out, and the controller of prisons, the controller general of prisons, you have to come out and defend this. If not, me, I will continue rubbishing your name online, the controller general of prisons. So this is how they call you to remove prisoners. After the courts have sentenced a prisoner, you will remove them. But that's not all. Let's continue.
Millionaire. I had to call Eleyi again because there's nobody for me to call. Eleyi gave me 2 million, the balance of 2 million. So now I'm supposed to come out in what's it called? Ending of July next month.
Okay.
29th. Okay. His father is a son. So first reached out to me, his father spoke to me, his father said we can apply for pardon.
Okay.
That pardon, the president, because you know
Wait, Fowl's the bad guy. I can't even believe this. Fowl's the bad guy contacted Bobrisky, and Femi Falana contacted his father, and his father, Femi Falana, spoke to Bobrisky in order to divert justice. And this same Fowls, if this story is true, this same Fowls will have the audacity to come out and say he's fighting against the government for oppression, that he wants justice, he wants Nigeria to be better. So that like this, you dey carry yourself. I don't want to believe that Femi Falana will bring himself down to this level. A whole Femi Falana, where be Fela lawyer, where we respect. Femi Falana will engage himself in something like this. Wait, what is the relationship between Fowls and Bobrisky? Abi Fowls said they do? Oh, okay. Who are we to crucify the homosexual? Most of them don't they evolve from time. Everybody is a motherfucking hypocrite, oh. No, oh, now that song they make sense to me. Wait, Abi Fowls said they do? This is crazy. Well, anyways, let's continue. Hey, now wow, Nigeria.
it's federal that my case is federal. That's so that the federal can actually pardon me. That's the president that he can do it. That if they pardon me, I can even leave here by next week. Do you understand? I don't have to wait till like ending of next month. Okay, so the man started the pardon. He said he wants to send it to the Minister of Justice in Abuja. So Minister of Justice will now send it to President to approve it. But you know Nigeria now, Nigeria with the corruption and everything, you take it fast to him. That the man, they have to collect 10 million naira
Jesus.
for him to get that pardon will clear my name off the record.
Of the record, which is not bad.
Yes, that which exactly. So, you know, there's nobody to call because, like, I have friends, so, but, you know, you don't know who set you up, you know, and they've not opened my.
Alright, so based on this first voice notes, based on Bobrisky's narration in this phone call, Bobrisky is saying that Femi Falana collected 10 million naira.
No. Ibi tí màá ti dúró rẹ̀, very dark man, you made a mistake. If you don't understand Yoruba, I will speak in English. You made a mistake. If you are fighting for the justice, fight it in the right way and direct it to the right direction. Femi Falana didn't collect 10 million according to Bobrisky. He filed the case of pardon and then he sent it to the justice in federal capital Abuja, where they will send it to the president to sign. They return it back to Femi Falana. You hear what Bobrisky said, that they return it back, that the lawyer said they will collect 10 million before they will do it. It is not Femi Falana. Femi Falana can do his own duty, his own duty as a free of charge. Then Fast, who is Fast, that is a son to Femi Falana. It can have a friends. Bobrisky can know anybody. You also can know anybody. Èèyàn lèyàn fi máa ń mọ̀yàn. So by Bobrisky no fast, it doesn't mean that fast is also homosexual. Then it doesn't mean that his father is corrupt, because his father is a lawyer and everybody knows his father very well. That is a very sound and a lawyer that Nigeria respects so much. For him to step into Bobrisky case, it is not something bad. He filed a case for pardon, and then when you have filed a case for pardon, it means that they will remove your name completely, that you have never been in prison and you have never committed any sin. That is what we call pardon. And it requires a lot of bribe, because you heard her clearly. I will use her on Bobrisky, or you heard him clearly that Femi Falana filed a case and they send it to Minister of Justice or whoever they send it to in Abuja, to send it to the president to sign. But they return it back, whereby they ask for 10 million. It is negotiation. They can negotiate it. It happened to those who was arrested during the Eleyi Sunday Igboho's case. Those our brother and sister that was arrested. The EFCC collected money. Then after collected money, we will still look for some what are they called? It's not solicitor, or what are they called? We still look for two person, and then we know how much two person collected in order to stand for these people. But the area that I like your point, it is the EFCC and Control General. But the area of a lawyer is doing their job. They will collect money. They can charge you 20 million. You are the one who committed a sin. You are the one you want your name to be removed. So they let consign. They can charge you 20 million. So, very dark man, you should ask your lawyer very well before you put Femi Falana on this matter, because this matter, it may turn around, or even though it may even cause you a lot of problem. It may even send you to jail by what you call by blacking his mail, because Bobrisky didn't say Femi Falana collected 10 million from him or from her. He said Femi Falana filed a case of pardon. He sent it to Abuja and those who they will sign, but they return it back and then they say they will get 10 million. It has happened because Nigeria is a corrupt country. It's different that Femi Falana said he will collect 10 million. Even though if Femi Falana said that he will collect 10 million for his own job, that is his own job. He's doing his job. He's doing his job. The day you were arrested, the day they sent you to court, you see your lawyer didn't collect money. Your lawyer didn't collect money from you. No, it is not possible. They cannot do it free of charge. They will collect money for their work. That is the lawyer. So Femi Falana can defend this thing in 100 times. It is you, very dark man, to understand the times and the approach that we use on this matter. Don't be too carried away. Don't be too carried away on the matter that will put you into a problem. Everybody in Nigeria who has power, who knows someone, they can use that whatever the person they know, they can use them to escape from the atrocity. And then from the beginning, Bobrisky didn't even escape. He used his money. He used money to reduce his case. The area that I want you to hammer, it is area of EFCC. Collected 15 million naira to remove money laundering, which is me in a first instance. Bobrisky does not even involve in any money laundering. And then why is he paying that money? If Bobrisky have a good lawyer, he can file it in the court, and the court can dismiss that case. But Bobrisky understands that he also in a money laundering. That is why he cannot fight that case. So ask Bobrisky, is it committed a money laundering? If she committed a money laundering, then he uses money to wipe it away. That is Nigerian for you. I want you to focus on fighting corruption. This is what we are doing to fight corruption. It is good. I love what you are doing by fighting corruption in this aspect, but hammer it to a government. Let the EFCC understand that they have violated the rules and regulation and the purpose of that creating that particular office, that particular organization. Also again, the control general. Yorùbá sọ wípé ènìyàn láṣọ èèyàn. Have you ever seen when a man will committed a sin and then they will charge him to court, or they will said death warrant, and then they will use another person? They will kill another person instead of kill the man that was committed a sin, and they will fly him out of the country. Let us just pray to God. God should protect us. Only a poor man suffered. Only a poor man suffered. I repeat, only a poor man suffered when he or she committed any crime. So that is exactly what is happening. Nigeria, it is who you know. Who no person, no person, no. But if you know person, my brother, you don't know person be that, oh. You don't know person be that. If they arrest me, I no get friend though. When me I go call, you go send me 8 million. Can you imagine? If they arrest me I no get person where I go call, we go send me 8 million. Bobrisky call only one person. Only one person give an 8 million. I beg, Bobrisky, I want know that man. I want become that man friend if possible. Help me, oh. I raise my hand. That man will give you 8 million. Make that man be my friend though. No be say I go commit crime, oh. No, I no go commit crime. But me, I go dey my jejely dey tell that man say, wetin go do for my life be this. Wetin go do for my life be this. The same thing, but the same thing, very dark man. You have someone, you know someone when you are in a trouble that he can rescue you out. But that is the way Nigeria is operating. Nigeria is operating under a constitution that was corrupt. Maybe you don't understand why the Nigeria was created from the first place. Nigeria was created under a lie. Nigerian, go and search for the meaning of that Nigerian. It is not you and I who said we want to be a Nigerian. It is a woman called Laura Shaw that named us that Nigeria that we are bearing today, and we will still continue bearing it. And the Nigerian was created under the British gain. Nigeria was created for the British establishment, for the British business, not for the benefit of those who call themselves Nigerians. And those who know people will still continue to know people. They will still continue be oppressed. Those that doesn't know anybody. Bobrisky used what he have to get what she don't or what he don't have. That's exactly what happened. So rephrase that statement that Femi Fanana they do. Hey, you have the evidence. Do you have the evidence? Say Femi Fanana na homosexual. I beg, no put yourself into problem with the way you use your word. They will help you to choose it, and then it will put you in a problem. Femi Fanana is always doing his job. We understand that Nigeria is corrupt, and in everywhere in the whole world, even though in a civilized world, if you call a lawyer to assist you for one way or the other, the lawyer will collect money. Lawyer can charge you 50 million. It will not depend on what you have, then how you will negotiate. That's all. Let's continue.
In order to wipe his name off the record. Wow. These are people I respected. These are people I look up to. Found the bad guy always talking about, yeah, I'm sticking up for the people. So you are also involved in things like this. It's really, really disappointing. It's obvious that Nigeria might not go anywhere anytime soon.
Nigeria is not even going anywhere.
It's obvious.
That Nigeria is not going to go anywhere.
Respect for this. Unless they come and come defend this one still alive. But for now, we'll take what Bobrisky is saying as the truth. Because Bobrisky said all these things, like he contacted somebody to borrow him money, and the person recorded everything. Now, just in case Bobrisky will argue, let me drop your number. This is your number, eh? Nah, why? So this is your number. Your number ends with 2208. That's what your number ends with. So this is you. Actually, you cannot deny anything.
So, òun lẹ ti gbọ́ yìí, kí lè ròǹgbà tiẹ̀? Ṣé Bobrisky lo ipò àti mímọ̀yàn àti owó láti dín ọjọ́ tí wọ́n fún lẹ́wọ̀n kúrú? Ibi tí mo fẹ́ kí Very Dark Man kó ti mú àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó ṣe kókó ni pé kí ni àwọn EFCC kí ni wọ́n gba owó fún money laundering fún? Ibẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ ni kó ti mú àwọn ibi tó ṣe kókó nìyẹn pé EFCC kan gbàbọ̀dé àwọn tó jẹ́ EFCC gan ló yẹ ká mú ní ọ̀daràn báyìí. Ẹ múyàn bí ọ̀daràn ni ẹ tún wá gba owó lọ́wọ́ onítọ̀hún láti filẹ̀ ẹ̀yin gẹ́gẹ́ lọ dáràn. EFCC tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ kòtò ọ̀run tí ń pè rẹ̀ ní kòtò ayé ni. Ìyẹn aburú tó ń bẹ níbẹ̀ ó ju ti iléeṣẹ́ mi lọ. Bó dẹ̀ ṣe rí gbogbo government agency tẹ́ ń wo yẹn nìyẹn o. Bó ṣe rí nìyẹn bí wọ́n ṣe gba bribe nìyẹn tí wọ́n gbẹ̀bí fálárì. Èkejì ti control general. Ṣe rí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ènìyàn àwọn tí wọ́n dá àwọn àgbààgbà ní òṣèlú yìí tí wọ́n bá ní wọ́n dá wọn lẹ́wọ̀n wọ́n á lọ ẹ̀wọ̀n. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nínú wọn ni wọ́n á fún lẹ́wọ̀n ọdún 5 tó yẹ pé ìdajì inú ẹ̀ Nàìjíríà ni wọ́n ti lò, yòókù Amẹ́ríkà ni wọ́n ti lò. Ohun tí wọ́n kàn lè ṣe ni pé wọ́n sá fún social media ni tẹ́sí ní rí wọn tọ́dún wọn fi pé mélòó rẹ̀ ló ti ṣẹlẹ̀. Tí Bobrisky kọ́ làkọ́kọ́, tí Bobrisky kọ́ náà ni ó sì gbẹ̀yìn nínú àwọn ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ tí wọ́n bá ní bàbá ní ìgbẹ́jọ́. K'Olódùmarè kó jẹ́ káwa náà ní bàbá ń gbẹ́jọ́ ni. Kò sí tí à ń fi èmi máa ṣe, a máa ń fi èmi máa ṣe ọlá, a máa ń fi èmi máa ṣe ọrọ̀, a máa ń fi èmi máa fi kóra wa yọnu ṣòro ni. Bí Bobrisky mọ̀yàn kì í ṣe ohun tí mo bínú sí rárá, kì í ṣe ohun tí èèyàn gbọ́dọ̀ bínú sí pé èèyàn mọ̀yàn. Àwọn tí wọ́n fẹ́ràn lẹ́wọ̀n wọ́n mọ̀yàn náà ni. Òun náà sì rèé tó fẹ́ yọ rẹ̀ náà òun náà mọ̀yàn náà ni. Ṣé ò ní àbánakọ́lé yẹn ti náwó ni ló ti ń spread owó ni tí ò sì sí tó ṣẹlẹ̀? Ẹ já bára wa sọ tọ̀rọ̀. The truth must be told. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn olówó yìí ṣé wọn ò kí náwó yàfùyàfù níta ni? Ó di mélòó tí wọ́n ti arrest? Ó di èèyàn mélòó tí wọ́n ti mú tó náwó yàfùyàfù tí wọ́n ti mú pé ó náwó spread of money táwọn ará lẹ́wọ̀n? Bí ò bá nídìí obìnrin ò kí jẹ́ kú mólú. Ẹja sọ tọ̀rọ̀ fúnra wa. Orí Nàìjíríà jẹ́ orílẹ̀-èdè tó yẹ pé kú fún ẹ̀tàn, irọ́, ohun èké, orílẹ̀-èdè tí ò sì lè gòkè àgbà láíláí fábàdà. Ó ní Nàìjíríà o. Àwọn èèyàn ò mọ̀ fìyẹn mímọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ lọ ni. Àwọn alágbára ó sì mọ̀ lu agbára lórí ẹni tí ò nágbára kí wọ́n bá lè mọ̀ tẹ ẹni tí ò nágbára rí. Kí agbára wọn lè mọ̀ gùn wọ́n, kí agbára wọn tún lè mọ̀ bá lè kan sí ni. Wò ó kẹ́ẹ̀tú àti rí Bobrisky jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ ní ọjọ́ tó bá tún bọ́ sínú ewu. Àwọn wọ̀nyí ò ní fílẹ̀, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọn ò sì ní dẹ̀yìn lẹ́yìn ẹ̀ torí pé ó ti lẹ́ni ní mọ̀sán. Yorùbá sì lọ wọ́n bọ̀ wọ́n ní a kì í lẹ́ni ní mọ̀sán ká mú kíkan. Ìwà pápátá Ọlọ́run jẹ́ káwa náà ká léèyàn lẹ́yìn, ká lẹ́ni lẹ́yìn. Bá a bá lẹ́ni lẹ́yìn ṣe bí wọ́n ní bí ajá bó bá lẹ́ni lẹ́yìn á sì pọ̀ bọ́. Kí Olódùmarè kó fi èèyàn tì wá kó má fi èrò tì wá. Kó Olódùmarè kó fi èèyàn ṣe alábàárìn wa kó má fi èrò ṣe alábàárìn wa. Níjọ́ tí ìwọ náà bá léèyàn tó lérò tó jẹ́ pé èèyàn ló ní ló tó mọ̀ wúlò èèyàn. Eléyìí tá a wí yìí àti eléyìí tẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ yìí, ìwọ náà kí lè ròǹgbà tiẹ̀? Kí ni tí ìwọ náà rò? Ṣé n tí fast ṣe n tó ṣe ò dání? Fast pé Bobrisky ó bá bàbá ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀, bàbá ẹ̀ sì gbégbèsè gẹ́gẹ́ bí amòfin. Tó bá jẹ́ wípé Fẹ́mi Fálànà ló béèrè owó ni kì bá dà. Àmọ́ Bobrisky sọ wípé bàbá yìí fáìlì kéèsì ó sẹ́ndẹ̀ sí lọ́ọ̀yà l'Àbújá, wọ́n ní kí president ó sign ẹ̀. Wọ́n ní rárá àfi tó bá mọ́wọ́ wá. Bí ilé ayé yìí bó ṣe rí gẹ́lẹ́ nìyẹn. Àmọ́ ibi tí mo ti rí àbùkù àti tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí ó ní ti control general tí wọ́n pè tó sì ní kí Bobrisky kó lọ gba apartment. Ṣùgbọ́n ju bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ o, àwọn kan bẹ tó jẹ́ pé tí wọ́n bá juni lọ wọ́n lè juni nù. Ẹ jẹ́ ká sòótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ fúnra wa, ẹ jẹ́ ká bára wa sòótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀. Àwọn kan bẹ Nàìjíríà lónìí tí agbára president ò ká. Àwọn kan bẹ ní Nàìjíríà lónìí tí wọ́n pera wọn ní Kaaba tí agbára Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu tí ò ká. Bágbára wọn bá ka ni ó yẹ kó ti tú àṣírí wọn, ó yẹ kó ti forúkọ wọn léde. Àmọ́ wọn bìdá kó dánrú ẹ̀ wò yóò jẹyàn ẹ̀sù. Bẹ́ẹ̀ gẹ́lẹ́ òun ló ṣe rí o. Kó Olódùmarè kó já mọ́yàn ká mọ́ mérò. Ohun tí wọ́n náà bá wá rò lórí ètò yìí, bá mi fi èròǹgbà tiẹ̀ bá mi fi ṣe abẹ́ fídíò yìí. Kí ni tí wọ́n rò? Ṣé ohun tí Bobrisky ṣe ṣó dáa àbí kò dáa? Ṣé ohun tí Fast ṣé ohun tó ṣe ṣó dáa àbí kò dáa? Ṣé ohun tí Fẹ́mi náà ṣe bàbá ẹ̀ ṣó dáa àbí kò dáa? Kí ni tí wọ́n náà rò? Títí ìgbà míì tí èmi àti òtún pàdé lórí ètò wa Kí la rí gbọ́, ayọ̀ àti ìdùnnú ọ̀nà ni yóò máa jẹ́ tèmi àti ẹ̀. Lórí ọ̀nà ó tún dìgbà kan náà.